Hey there, welcome to Createful Art Kids. I'm Ashley, and this is
me, Katie.
And today we are going to paint this really pretty spring painting of a bird sitting on a branch with some blossoms. Ready to be creative?
Yeah!
There is a full list of the supplies that we are using for this lesson in the description below. We're going to start out with our paint, and we're going to start out with the branch. And what color is the branch?
It's going to be brown.
It's going to be brown. Okay, so I'm going to give you some brown paint. And me some brown paint.
Yay.
So in our branches, we're going to have a thick branch, and we're going to have tiny branches, okay? So when you push down on the paintbrush, okay, you're going to make a thicker line. And when you lift, it's going to make a thinner line. Okay, so let's start with our brown. Now we're going to start on the right side here. Okay, see how small? All right. Okay, and you're going to stop right there. Okay, because that's where your bird's going to go. And if we have to paint over our brown branch, guess what? The branch is going to show under our bird. So we're just going to make a nice thick line right there. We want the bird to be kind of around this area. Okay, and then we're going to go out, and then we're going to stop right here. When you see that you're kind of just dragging your paintbrush, but it's not putting a lot of paint on, just add some more paint. Okay, you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so now you're going to just barely hit the paper with your brush and go up. Oh, I don't have enough paint. Go up like this.
Like a hill?
And give it a branch.
Like a hill?
Yeah, like a hill. And kind of crooked, huh? Because tree branches, they're not just straight, are they? They're like jiggity jaggedy. Okay, let's give it another little branch off of that one.
Ooh. I made mine a little too high.
You know what? Your branch is going to be different than mine because you're different than me. So it's okay. Ready for the next branch?
Yes.
Off of our big branch. Let's put this one right here. Yeah, if we make mistakes, we can always make it into something, right?
Just look at the example right there.
Alright. And then off of that, another little branch. And then another little branch. And we want lots of little branches because they're going to have pretty flowers on them. So
Any
you can...
branches we want?
You know what? This is your artwork. Okay. And this is step 1, is put the branches on. So step 2, paint bird. I'm going to paint a yellow bird. You paint an orange bird because you want to paint an orange bird, right? Okay, so we're going to start with the shape, and it's an oval.
Easy.
Looks like an egg. Okay.
With a tail?
Well, that's the next shape. So I'm going to start with this. Now you're getting ahead of me.
Tail.
Now we're going to put a little, now this is important, okay?
Okay.
We can't push too hard on our brush or we're just going to get a blob down here. We have to lift up on our brush to get a pointy tail, okay? And then go back like that, like it's an upside down triangle.
Yep.
Down, point, back, up, and then you fill it in very carefully. Okay, here's the head. It's a round circle. And then I kind of like to blend it so that it, there you go. So it doesn't look like a round circle and that it's not attached. Okay, the next part is a teensy tiny part. And it's the beak. And the same thing as down here. You have to be very careful when you're making it that you don't push down too hard. And you make the triangle again. Now I'm going to give a little bit of definition into my feathers. I'm just going to take this and go like around
That's how I do my feather.
and around like this on the shoulder. Okay, and this is the tail down here, so I'm just going to give it some feathers like this. I could make the bottom some feathers, some red feathers. Oh my gosh, I'm just getting carried away. You can get carried away with this step. Maybe I want to put some little cutesy feathers on top of its head. Okay, so I'm going to make a little round eye by just barely going in a circle, or I could just dab like this until it's an eye. Okay, and then I'm going to take some white right on top of it and barely give it some white. You're going to want to get one of these little peppers and cut your pepper. This is going to be for the flowers. You're going to see some flower shapes here. So see how that's going to be a flower shape? Okay, you're going to use that as a stamp. And we're going to...
Are you going to dip it in?
Watch. I'll show you. Then you're going to use it like a stamp and go boink. Oh my gosh, those are such pretty, pretty blossoms. Oh, so lovely. So now we can take some white and we can put it in the centers. We can even color it all the way if we want. See how it still looks like a flower? The next step is paint leaves. So now you're just going to basically go like this.
Easy.
I feel like this is lonely right here. I'm going to...
Guys, if it feels lonely to you, put anything you want.
Yeah, because this is your art piece. This is from the branch up here. See that? There's a branch above that birdie bird. And there we go. You can just play around with it and be creative. Okay. And then the next step is sign your work because you're super proud of it. Thanks for creating with us. Be sure to go over to createfulart.com and join the party by subscribing. And then you won't miss out on any of these lessons, and you also receive some art tips and fun stuff to get creative.